Kate. Today we're going to talk about creating a budget and sticking to it. Many of you might have a steady income but don't know how to budget properly. Well, don't worry, fellow students, it's a lot easier than it sounds. The first step to setting a budget is finding out what your monthly income is. This will be the foundation for how much you can spend. The next step is categorizing which costs are needs and which are wants. Your needs mostly consist of stuff like rent, utilities, food and travel, stuff that's needed on a daily basis. Your wants are costs such as dining out or concerts or purchasing the new iPhone. Do you really need these things? After prioritizing your expenses, you'll need to add up those costs. This part of the budgeting process is to see how much you're actually spending and where you're spending it. Now that you have the income and costs added up, subtract your needed costs from your monthly income. Your end result is how much money you will have left over. Now, yes, you might have enough left over for all your wants, but it's really important to set money aside. The best way to do this is by taking out a portion of your leftover income and putting it in a savings account or physically locking it away. Not only does this help you build your savings, but it also helps to pay for emergency expenses. There are plenty of ways to make a budget. Thankfully, there are hundreds of budget-making apps with tons and tons of features. Most of these apps are free and usually don't actually require internet access to operate. If you prefer to stay away from the app, you can always write out your own budget or create one using Microsoft Excel. Either way you choose, make sure you stick to your budget and have a visual representation. So remember, when it comes to budgeting, categorize and prioritize. This has been Invest in Success.